do you want to go to International Open for free? I actually was contacted by MultiGP staff, and they asked me to give away 2 free tickets to the International Open. I'm a little bit behind the schedule on this, so I apologize for that, but I'm really pumped to be able to partner with MultiGP to give away 2 free slots to come join in the awesome fun. I've gone both years now in the past, and I can't pass up on it. Like, it is, I have to choose that over just about anything else. So that being said, it is a little bit expensive, so I'm excited to give away these tickets. What I need you to do is to go over to my Facebook page. If you are on Instagram, you have to go to Facebook. I'm sorry about that. Like the NERC FPV page, and then in the comments of the link for this video, I want you to post your fleet, whatever state it's in, whether it's 1 drone, no drones, just a pile of cash on the ground, whatever you want it to be. The funnier the better, and I'll go through and I'll pick one of those that I think, and tie it with a story. Tell a little bit of a story, why you want to go to I.O., what you're going to do there, all that stuff. So, so there's 3 things you got to do. 1, take a picture of your fleet and post it. 2, include with that post a little caption of why you want to go. Tell me your story. And 3, you got to like the NERC FPV page on Facebook. But yeah, in the meantime, I'll go through, I'll pick out a couple of the winners from there based on the story and the picture, and we'll see you at the International Open. Stay flying.